Microsoft Apartment Office rental system aims to streamline the rental process, making it easier for both landlord and tenants to find, secure, and manage rental property. And now, let's proceed to our quick guide on how to use our system. So first, let's proceed to Files and select Rooms. Just click, and as you can see, mag-filter out agad yung ating building name as well as there. Just click New to add another, and building UI will appear. Just input your building. So for example, the name of my build is let's fix apart. And we also have the details. So for example, the details of my building is, let's say, Liria. Just click Save, and as you can see, successfully saved na po yung ating building. And now, andito na po yung ating Fitzy's apartment. And dito naman sa right side is ito po yung, or dito po natin makikita yung kanyang mga rooms. So as of now, wala pa po tayong mga rooms na na-generate. So to generate, just right and just select Generate Numbers. And Generate Rooms UI will appear. Just input your prefix, let's say start number, for example 01, and then the total rooms. For example, I have total of 8 rooms sa aking Fitzy's apartment. Click Save. And as you can see, successfully generated na po yung ating mga rooms. And click OK. Just click Fitzy's apartment. Ayan, so dito naman sa right side is nakikita na po natin yung kanya. And now, for example, may magra-rent na sa one of our rooms sa ating Fitzy's apartment. So, ita-transact natin siya sa ating system. Okay? So, doon lang po tayo sa rentals and select vacant room. Just click View Rooms and mag-filter out agad yung ating mga room. Our system is searchable. Let's say, Fitzy's apartment, yung i-search natin. And let's say, yung ating tenant is magra-rent siya sa room number. Just highlight room and select Rent Room. And Rent Room UI will appear. Dito na po natin i-input yung information ng ating, let's say for example, yung magra-rent, let's say si Mariel Pihan, address ng ating tenant, and contact number, as well as yung kanyang ID card, and the monthly rent. So for example, the monthly rent is 3,500. If ever nagbigay ng deposit or nag-deposit yung ating tenant, input lang din, let's say 1,500. Months, kung ilang months siya magre-rent sa, let's say mga 8. And as you can see, nag-change din po yung ating date range from September 30 hanggang May 30, which is 8 months. After that, save lang po natin yung ating information and click. And as you can see, very easy lang po yung pag-input ng ating rent. So now, ma-monitor din natin yung ating mga occupied. View lang natin yung rooms. And nandito na po yung ating tenant. Na-save na po yung kanyang transactions and nakikita na din natin siya sa ating occupied. And for example, may kailangan tayong i-repair to that. So proceed lang po tayo sa rentals and select pending or ongoing. Just select view button and as you can see, mag-filter out agad yung mga transactions ko under dito. Just select new repair and for repair UI will appear. Select your building, which is your Fitzy's apartment, and choose your room. So since your room 8 yung i-repair natin, and then the repair details. For example, doorknob. And select lang natin yung start repair and click save. And as you can see, successfully saved na po siya. Click lang yung OK. And as you can see, yung ating transactions is nandito na. And now, since nag-repair tayo to that room, and then let's say nag-expense din tayo or kumbaga bumili tayo ng new doorknob. So, in-new expense natin yung sa ating right column. Select lang po natin yan. And then, repair expense UI will appear. So, meron tayong item dito kung ano yung na-expense natin. Drop down. And as of now, meron na po akong sample, si doorknob. Select lang po natin. And input your cost. So, let's say yung cost natin dito, $250. And then the quantity and the charge to tenant. So let's say si tenant yung nakasira sa doorknob. So i-charge lang natin yan to tenant and click save. And as you can see, successfully saved na po yung ating transactions. Click lang yan OK. And next, for example, mag-i-expense tayo for our tenant's billing or let's say water bill or electricity bill. So proceed lang po tayo dito sa ating expenses po na feature and select expense transaction. And as you can see, expense detail UI will appear. Drop down your building, which is if it's his apartment, and change our charge to tenant, which is si Mariel Pihante. receipt number, and your particular. So let's say electricity. So the amount, let's say nagtotal siya ng 1,560. Click Save, and Update Kilowatt Hour UI will appear. So the usage, and click Update. And as you can see, usage successfully updated, and click OK. And if you want to generate your billing to your tenant, just proceed to Billing and select Generate Billing. Choose your building, move the date, and click Go. Just select, and dito naman sa right side is ito po yung particular ng ating transaction sa ating tenant. Select lang po natin yung ating generate, and as you can see, meron tayong confirmation, click lang natin. And very easy lang po on how to generate our billing to our tenant. And for example, since nakapagbigay na po tayo ng ating bill to our tenant, and let's see, magbabayad na yung ating tenant. So proceed lang po tayo sa payments and select receipt, just view the bill. And lalabas yung mga kailangan nating. So meron po tayo dito si Mariel Pihante. Right side is ito po yung mga particulars niya. And meron tayong button na receive payment. So select lang po natin. And as you can see, payment UI will appear. You can input your reference number. You can also input your discount and then the amount paid. For example, our tenant will pay in exact amount. Just input your exact amount and click Save. And as you can see, successfully saved. Click lang natin yung OK. And very easy lang po yung pag-receive natin sa ating. And if you want to check your reports, just proceed to Reports and select Profit and Loss. Just select your building, for example, Fitz's Apart, click Go. And as you can see, ito po yung interface ng ating monthly profit and loss. So I have here collections and my expenses. Left side is the months. And then meron tayong amount dito na column, which is 5,310. And then meron akong other income. So itong other income is last September pa po ito. And then wala akong mga discounts. And then the total amounts. Iba naman yung expenses natin. So ito po yung expense amount natin all in all sa September naman. And ito po yung ating net. So this report is printable. And this is also exportable to Excel or. And yes, we're done. Thank you so much for listening. This is Fitzy saying, at Marisoft, we empower every entrepreneur to achieve more.